So we've been picking green beans, and we decided that we're going to give some of these green bean plants to our meat bird chickens. So it seems like a good time to give you an update on our meat birds.
I used to live in the country on a high lonesome hill. Crow by day, by night the whippoorwill. I used to live in the country on a high lonesome hill. Crow by day, by night the whippoorwill. But I'm satisfied, tickled too, just to be with you.
We've had these chicks for several weeks now, and they're a heavy breed cockerel mix. We ordered about 100 chickens, and they threw in 5 rare breeds. I think they're rare breed pullets. We also ordered 10 barred rock pullets.
Well, I'm going downtown with my hat caved in, coming back home with a pocket full of tin. Well, I'm satisfied, tickled too, just to be with you.
Does that one seem very big?
I don't know if they We're probably about ready to start picking off some of the bigger ones because some of them are big enough size that they're ready to be butchered.
Well, I promise that I won't be gone too long. I'll be thinking about you every minute that I'm gone. Well, I'm satisfied, tickled too, just to be with you.
So before school started, I used to feed them in the morning. Whenever I would wake up, I would come out here and take care of them. But now that school started, I have to take care of them after school. So now I take care of them in the evening. We have 2 water containers for them and 1 feeding container. Right now we're feeding them roll corn and oats. And I'll sprinkle in some alfalfa meal with the roll corn and the oats, just for a bit of extra protein. It's not very much time until we take all the pullets out and put them into a different building so that they can start producing eggs.
Well, you're my baby, you're the one. Throw your arms around me like a circle around the sun. Well, you're my baby, you're the one. Throw your arms around me like a circle around the sun. Well, I'm satisfied, tickled too, just to be with
Thanks for
you.
joining us, and we'll see you next time.